Have you ever wondered what is cobalt leaching and how it affects the life of your cutting tools? If not, please stay tuned. Metallic cobalt is by far the widely used binder or the cement in the cemented tungsten carbide. Majority of the failures of the cutting tools this is an industry survey or many cutting tool manufacturers will agree, is because the tungsten carbide materials get loose or the binder gets broken off during the cutting process. Now, why does this happen? Cobalt leaching is basically corrosion of this cobalt binder in the tungsten carbide. To best explain this phenomenon, imagine how potholes are formed on the roads. Now, while making roads, they use tar or asphalt, as they call it, to hold together pieces of rocks and gravel together. Due to extreme heat, pressure, and other environmental conditions, the binder, which is the tar or asphalt, gets loosened up, which releases the rocks and gravel that it holds together. Now, cobalt in the cutting tools or cobalt in the tungsten carbide performs the same function. While sintering the tungsten carbide, cobalt holds together the grains of carbide and makes it, this entire structure gives the hardness or gives the cutting tool its strength. Now, when cobalt leaching happens, cobalt leaching is basically dissolution of this cobalt because of the corrosive environments the cutting tools are made in. I hope this video was informative for you. Stay tuned for more.